Okay, what I have is a Cison FL-175. I experimented with like True Fuel 40-to-1 mix. It didn't run worth a crap on it, so I was like, you know what? I'm going to Hobby Town. I'm getting some Cool Power 4-stroke fuel. So I went and done that. Switched back to the Traxxas carburetor, which was already tuned for that fuel, but I put RCEXL ignition. The other ignition system, cylinders 2, 3, and 4 were firing at the same time, and one, well, had a very weak spark. So I fabricated a little bracket and put that crank angle sensor on. Yeah, I know it's a little jacked up looking, but it works. Alright. I'll put you on pause just for a second. I gotta go grab something. The board to stand this phone up in, that is. Alright. I'm back. See if I can slide this back a little bit. Yeah. Alright. Here goes. Yeah, and I got the Wolfpack Reedy number 737 2-cell it's a total of 7.4 volts, and that's for the starter. So what I do is, since I got the timing kind of advanced a little bit, I go on ahead and give the engine a running start. Like, wait, move that back, like this. Not bad. Don't want to run it too long because it will smoke up the inside of this, yes, house. That's why I've got it sitting on the stove under the hood vent with the fan going. But yeah, I'm impressed. With the right ignition system, this thing could be a beast. Yeah, runs good. Oh yeah, another note. Yep. Yeah, whatever. I also added an inline fuel filter. That's also an important part of an engine's longevity. You don't want any trash getting in there because it can cause premature wear on the cylinders. The starter did burn up, but I brought her back to life. Actually, it didn't really burn up. It just got, the brush assembly got so hot that it broke contact with the armature. So I took everything apart, cleaned it up, put it back together, and tested it before I mounted it. Lo and behold, it actually worked. So I just resoldered the back plate back on, hooked it up, hooked up the wolf pack, which is a lower voltage than where's that other battery at? Than that. That's a 3-cell, which makes it a 11.1. I believe that's what done my previous starter motors in. I wasn't sure what voltage to put to them. Yeah, that was too much. It works great, but that was just too much. I used that on the Torium V4. I got a brushless starter motor on it. It's mounted up underneath it. Came from an old power tool, and it works great. But anyway, my patched up, busted head gasket's still holding up. You see the brake right there and there. I'm impressed with the way it runs. It's still cool. It's not all hot. I've only had it down for maybe a couple of minutes, and I can already touch it. So, yeah. Cool power's the way to go. That is all.